Hi guys! If your hair and eyelashes have been falling out since having kids, you are not alone. So the good news is I tried out this DIY eyelash serum. It's all natural and it totally works. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own. I'm Laura, and as a former makeup artist, I love sharing easy style and beauty tips that help moms feel their best. Okay, so what we're going to need is castor oil, sweet almond oil, liquid coconut oil, and vitamin E oil is optional. We're going to start off with 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Castor oil on its own is actually great for hair growth and thickening, but we're going to kick this stuff up a couple notches. Next, add 3 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. This is going to strengthen your hair and it helps prevent breakage. Then 2 teaspoons of liquid coconut oil for some moisturization. Whoa, it doesn't have to be exact. And then lastly, this is totally optional, I'm going to add a tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is great for hair growth and it also preserves everything. Now give everything one last mix together. This serum can actually last for up to a year in an airtight container. I'm going to use this old essential oil bottle, but something like a mason jar can work too. Screw the cap on and that's it. Our serum is complete and now I'm going to show you how it works. So you want to start with no makeup on. I usually do this right before bed. Put some onto a Q-tip and gently swipe it into and over your lash line. Repeat the same thing on the other lid, making sure not to use too much so it doesn't drip into your eye. In the morning, you can go ahead and wipe it off. So here's the before. I started using this every night before bed a few weeks ago, and here's the after. I can totally see a difference. Not only are they longer, they're actually a lot fuller too. You can also try adding a few drops to your scalp at night and onto your eyebrows as well. I hope you guys give this a try and grow back those luscious lashes, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys. Not for you, buddy. I like your hair short. Ooh, but you need some breath freshener. Ugh.